Hey, how's it going everybody? Hasib here. Welcome to another video. This is video number 1 for a tutorial series called High Level Automation for Beginners. So I'm making this tutorial playlist for those who are just getting started with high level automations. This is not for those who have been using high level for a while. So as you can see, I am in my high level account. I'm in a sub account. If you log into high level and log into one of the sub accounts, assuming this is your client or this is your own business, you have to come here in automations tab, which will hold all the GoHighLevel automations. So let me tell you what are the basic automations you can perform. So you can perform automated emails, automated SMS, upon form submission, upon booking appointment, you can send them confirmation on appointment, you can send them reminders, all sorts of things. You can send a purchase receipt if somebody purchases a product or a service that you sold using GoHighLevel two-step or one-step order forms. You can also do cold outbound campaigns. You can send voicemails automatically and add tags, move them around in pipelines, and do all sorts of stuff. So we're gonna learn in this series how to do all those things, right? Now, as I am in automation, you can see three tabs over here. So campaigns and triggers, these are deprecated features, right? So campaigns used to be stacked content with delays, like email 1, SMS 1, email 2, SMS 2, and delays between them. And triggers used to be like the automations that triggers these campaigns for a certain lead. So if somebody fills up a form, this campaign will be executed for that lead. So triggers are where you go and do that. If we go to settings and if we come down here, deprecated features, as you can see, so I have enabled them. I can choose to not enable them. In that case, I won't be seeing them here anymore. So I'm not going to use campaigns and triggers because they used to be features a year ago in high level, but we are not using them now. We're just using workflows. So basically workflows have combined campaigns and triggers and brought them in one place. So instead of creating a campaign and a trigger, you just create one single workflow and that's it. So we're gonna see how workflows are created, and we're gonna see what are the different bunch of automations what we can perform with GoHighLevel workflows.